How to handle asynchronous data in your Flutter app using the FutureBuilder widget and create widgets that update dynamically based on the value of future. Let's get started. FutureBuilder is a widget that takes in a future and a builder function. A future is a way to represent a value that will be available at some point in the future. The builder function is called every time the future's value is updated. Here is an example of a future function named getProducts that will return a list of products which is same as our FutureBuilder type. It uses the HTTP package to make an API call and then decodes the response with JSON. Here we created a list of products in which we are adding all the products we got from our API. After that we are returning our list of products. Now let's use our getProducts function in our FutureBuilder widget. In the builder function, we check the connection state of the async snapshot object to determine how to update the widget. If the connection state is waiting, we show a loading indicator. If the connection state is done, we check for errors or data and update the widget accordingly. We simply assign the error to our error variable and then displayed it in a text widget wrapped by a center widget. And if there is data, then we assign our snapshot.data to a variable named products, which would be a list of products that we got from our getProducts function. After that, we will return a listView.separated widget to display the list of products and a product tile widget to display each individual product. Product tile is a function that we have already created to show the products. This is our product tile function that returns a widget. We are using this function to display each product from our list. In our product class, we have multiple properties like ID, name, description, and so on. We are using these properties in our product tile function to display the product.